In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display. Then scroll down again, click on font size and style. And last but not least, operate this font size slider to adjust it. You can check out preview above. When you finished, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!